Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Etsy SEO tags using Etsy search best practices easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what Etsy SEO tags are and their significance in helping your listings appear in search results. First, log into your Etsy shop dashboard. Navigate to the listings section to view all your active items. Select a listing to edit, focusing on the tags section. Review your current tags to see if they effectively describe your product. Research relevant keywords by using Etsy's search bar for autocomplete suggestions. Identify commonly searched phrases that align with your item. Use tools like Etsy Rank or Marmalade to analyze keyword effectiveness. Create a list of 13 relevant keywords that best represent your product. Incorporate long-tail keywords, as they capture more specific searches. Replace underperforming tags with your new keyword list. Make sure to use all 13 available tags to maximize reach. After updating, save your changes to the listing. Monitor how these changes affect your item's visibility over time. Be prepared to adjust your tags based on performance analytics. Regularly revisit your SEO strategy to stay aligned with market trends. Consistency in updating your keywords can significantly enhance your shop's discoverability. Having a dynamic approach ensures you're adapting to buyer behaviors and seasonal trends. Implement these strategies regularly to continually improve your Etsy search ranking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.